You guys with Castle Realty Group. This is Leo Gonzalez with Castle Realty Group, and I wanted to get you guys another tutorial. This one specifically is when you work with a buyer. For all you buyers agents, this would be gold for you. One of the neat little tricks that I've learned messing around with some of these programs that title companies offer is how to actually look up the new tax bill with the new purchase price of the property. I know that sometimes taxes can be a hindrance later on in the deal if we didn't do our homework up front, but I wanted to show you guys an example of a sweet unique little thing that Title Pro 24/7 has, which is this thing right here. But I want to do a side-by-side comparison of what Title Pro can do for you, as opposed to just looking up the property tax bill on Realist Tax, for those of you that use just a straight title company to look up the information. So here is the information. Obviously, when we look up a property on Realist Tax, is very limited. It will show you what the taxes have, what they've paid in taxes for the past years, 2004, 2014, 2015, 2016. So it'll show you this, and that's about all you get for the taxes. So it really doesn't do much as far as representing a buyer for the new purchase. So for that, sometimes you call your title officer, and sometimes they're not available, but I like to do this myself regardless. So I go to TitlePro247.com. If you don't have an account, I believe obviously Lawyers Title has it, and Fidelity has it as well, so you can get with your title reps in your area and request that they hook you up with this account. And it's really awesome. You can get this is such an awesome tool for absolutely everything from farming to leads and property reports, all that good stuff. But for now, we're just going to go to just regular property reports. And what we're going to do is we're going to look up the same property that we have over here opened up on Realix with very limited tax information. And what we're going to do is we're going to just look up the same property, and we're going to look up what the new tax bill would be if our buyer was going to buy it. So what we're going to do here is, up here is pretty much your master control. We're just going to focus on the site address. You have a bunch of other stuff that you could do, but site address seems to work the easiest for this. So we're going to copy paste this. We're going to keep our location, obviously Riverside County, and we're going to click to find it. Right away, what it does is, obviously, you look down here, it tells you the homeowner, and it tells you the property address, and here it gives you a list of things for you to choose from. Obviously, you can look through all this on your own, but now down here it says the estimated property taxes for purchase, which is what the one we're looking for. We're going to click that, and we're going to click OK. Now it's going to ask us to put in our purchase price. So we're actually going to do 2 or 3 of these so you could see how it actually works and how the tax bill calculates differently with every new purchase price. So we're going to start off with 380. That's what the comps show for the property. So we're going to go here, 380,000, and we're going to click OK. It's going to pop up a new window, and it's going to give us a lot of the same stuff that Realist gives us, but what it's going to also show us is here's where I want to draw your focus. This right here. So the current levy amount. So these are all the taxes that they are currently paying right here, and this is the new right here. These are all the new taxes that the increase. So if you look at here, these are all the obligations, Riverside City Debt Service, Lighting District. So this is everything that's included in the property at its current right here, current levy. This is the current assessed value of the property. This would be with the new purchase price. So if you look at here, we're going to focus on this one. It's at $3,800 at the 380 price. So obviously broken down by month. It also gives us that as well. Gives you the tax rate, all these sorts of cool things that you guys can look up as agents for your lender, for your buyer if they have questions regarding the obviously what their payments and all this other stuff. This is a really neat tool that we could actually hand over to the loan officer, basically showing them that we've already done our homework ahead of time. So obviously that's with the 380 price. Let's click out of it, and it doesn't give us the option anymore. It gave us the window the first time, so now we just click on the address and it'll give us the window again. So we're going to go back over here, estimated property tax for purchase. We're going to click OK. It's going to ask us to enter the new sale price. Let's go $455,000. It's doing its thing, and here it is. So now obviously taxes went up, so you can see the difference now. It's a little bit more clear. This is what they're currently paying for the basic levy Proposition 13 mandate, which is just their base property tax, and of course all the extras. So the Riverside County Debt Services, this current homeowner is paying $23,000. The new buyer, if he were to pay $455,000 for the house, it would be would go up to $2,807, and so would everything else. So this is pretty neat. I like it. I know sometimes as agents we got to go do our homework a little bit more for some buyers, but I just wanted to show you guys this tool and hopefully help some of you out when it comes to getting more informed and informing your buyers when making a decision for their next purchase. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you soon. And remember, at Castle Realty Group, we work for you.